Discover Trailstone, a coming soon community near the Rocky Mountains in Arvada, Colorado, situated just off of Candelas Parkway, a brief 20-minute drive from Boulder. Join us as we take you on a journey throughout the remarkable features of these Taylor Morrison models. From the moment you step inside the home, you'll be captivated by the open concept floor plans, thoughtfully designed for your comfort and enjoyment. Uncover single-family homes featuring spacious backyards and up to 6 bedrooms, along with townhomes ranging from 13 to 1,600 square foot. Ideal for nature enthusiasts, this community integrates city living with mountain adventures. Sit back and relax with breathtaking views of downtown Denver, the Rocky Mountains, and you can't forget Standley Lake. Give us a call. We would love to keep you informed on the progress of this new Trailstone community.